Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at an Undisputed Championship belt that has been fully restoned, upgraded sidebars, upgraded one-piece tip, Velcro upgrade, and finally a base plate upgrade to the side plates. We'll start over on the left hand side of the belt. Here you'll see my maker's stamp, crafted by Daniel Ripley Leather. As we go across, we've got the male snap box, which has been covered up with a Velcro patch, and then it has also had the additional TV, which makes it TV accurate, snaps put on top of the Velcro. As we move to the left hand side part, here would normally have the WWE logo, but obviously I don't work for WWE, so I don't put that on. Here we have the first side plate. The plates themselves have been restoned by Nathan Bones of Stones by Bones. He's also drilled out the side plates to make it so they could be front mounted. Here we have the base plate underneath. Just gives it that extra depth. And then my upgraded sidebars as well. Those have been added on. You can just see the nice bubble effect tooling around the back of the plates. So here we have the main plate. Obviously comes with a base plate now, which is a great addition. Maybe in the future they might do this for the other network logo belts, but with a patch behind as well. Some nice Restone plates here. Nathan's also repainted took out the plasticky resin swoosh parts here and painted it in a nice candy red paint that he gets. He's also done the black stones, which look brilliant. I do prefer the clear stones, but I've yet to see anyone actually do that on this Undisputed belt. Again, another sidebar here that's upgraded with the base plate. Front mounted plates. Move over to the right. Just another patch area where this logo would be normally. And then finally some more fake snaps with the stitching that's holding on the Velcro. I've also got a one-piece tip here. What I'll do now is flip over the belt and we can take a look from the back, see how it looks. Okay, so on the back of the belt, obviously screws have been covered. Got a nice real leather backing with a nice bit of a texture to it. Here we see the fake snaps and the stitching. Just get it in a bit of light there, that's just covered up by the leather. Chicago screws there to hold the front mounted side plates on. We have the Velcro patch and the one-piece tip. Needs a bit of a clean, to be fair. So yeah, well now we'll flip the belt. Well, you can see how floppy the leather is as well. This isn't quite as floppy because obviously the Velcro stiffens it up, but overall really nice and floppy. Stick the Velcro on. Really strong, really heavy belt now. It's got the additional side plates on. Let's have a look round the belt as we move with the light. Again, this is something that I'm getting a lot of inquiries for. Nice thick sidebars. You can just see the depth of the main plate with the base plate on. It's got quite a nice curve to it as well. Some nice Nice edges there. Just try and get it to focus a bit better. See the depth of the side plates with a nice curve again. You can just make out a bit of a sparkle there as well on the stones. Nice beveling there around there. This is a custom cut as well around the strap. It's not the stock cut. Made it quite nice and tight there. Lovely depth to those base plates. Right, I'll just flip the belt on its back. Nice uniform cut there on the leather. So there we have a completely upgraded Undisputed Championship. Restoned, upgraded bars, upgraded tip, upgraded Velcro, front mounted side plates, obviously restoned. Get in touch if you want one doing. Thanks for watching.